ICT-based language cognitive integrated intervention program, introducing LangCog. Among 150 brain development activities developed by rehabilitation experts. The teacher chooses the activities needed to our child and gives him or her an intensive training. The following description is how to use LangCog. Automatic updates are possible by checking updates in real time. Each teacher or moderator can register each learner by generating an ID. You can enter and manage information from multiple learners. Select the learning that the learner-teacher wants. You can see the whole learning or the learning by category. Drag the learning that the learner-teacher wants into the quick slot and press the Ready button. While the teacher or moderator prepares for the learning, he or she can offer mini games to the learner. Press the Start button to start the learning. You can learn effectively through contents that combine real life. If the learner gets the correct answer, teacher or moderator will provide the learner with a screen for reinforcement, which allows teacher or moderator to adjust the time, such as turning it off or extending it for a long time. Statistical data on accuracy and average response time are provided at the end of the learning. Statistical data will be provided by the whole learning or the learning by category. Statistical data can be viewed in radial and linear graphs, and the latter ones can be compared up to 3 by date. The searched statistical data can be printed to store, and it can be used as a good material for consulting with parents or protector.